Well, now that you almost killed Anna, do you want something to eat, Elsa? Look, I'm just making her the best version of herself, okay? You must be exhausted from all the snow. I got a present for you, Elsa. Oh, it's a Minibrands Disney Store Edition Series 2. Thank you, Santiago. Okay, so let's see what's in here. Okay, so we got a ball and we got 5 layers to open. Amazing. Let's open up our first one. Dude, it's a little toy. That's so cute. It's Marvel Wasps. That's so cute. Is this another toy? Oh, look. Adorable. It's the Avengers. Oh, I really want one of the mini dolls. They're so cute.